What if your symptoms weren't the problem, but a signal, a message from your body that something deeper needs attention? Most treatments cover the noise. At TRYBE, we listen and go for the root. We believe that true healing doesn't come from managing conditions. It comes from restoring your body's natural ability to repair itself. That's why we don't treat the mouth, your hormones, or your organs in isolation. We treat the system. We treat you. With a blend of functional medicine, biological dentistry, and regenerative therapies backed by science, led by care. So what is functional medicine? It's a smarter way to ask, why is this happening? Instead of chasing pills or quick fixes, we trace the issue to its root, whether it's gut imbalance, nutrient deficiency, chronic inflammation, or even unresolved emotional stress. We start with in-depth lab work that looks at the markers most doctors overlook. Your body speaks, we listen. Step 2, nutrition and a supplement plan. We personalize your nutrition and support it with targeted compounds to reduce inflammation and restore cellular function. Step 3, lifestyle reset. We help you upgrade how you sleep, move, handle stress, and detox your environment, so your life becomes part of your healing. And yes, we focus on your mouth too, because oral inflammation is often the first domino in a chain of deeper health issues. One patient came in exhausted. She thought it was just aging, but labs revealed a vitamin D deficiency, a hidden oral infection, and chronic stress. After 3 months, she said, "I don't feel just better. I feel like myself again." We don't manage your symptoms. We help you rebuild the system behind them so you can finally thrive. Because longevity means nothing without vitality. At TRYBE, your plan isn't a pill, it's a personalized blueprint based on your biology, fueled by nutrition, detox, and regenerative tools, and guided by a team that sees all of you. And if this shifted the way you think about health, share it with someone who's ready to stop chasing symptoms. You've tried everything. Now, TRYBE.